Hello students, I welcome all of you. Hopefully you must be enjoying the questions which I am regularly uploading under the TEJAS series. See, there are two very important aspects of preparation. One is you need to practice relevant questions, and you need to practice good questions so as to excel. So TEJAS series is meant, at least in mathematics, it is meant for you people to excel in mathematics so that your IIT JEE paper, be it mains or be it advanced, should seem to be a bit simpler for you people. Okay, so I believe you must be enjoying, and I will request you all, those who are regularly watching the videos and solving the question, to tell me the answer with the help of the comment box. Okay, so you should try to comment the answers there. Now sorry, the other aspect of preparation is intelligent preparation. You see, what does that mean? I know there must be many students, almost 40-50% students must be there who will get serious in the days to come, or who would have got serious maybe a month back or few weeks back. Okay, so now they must be guessing as to how to prepare, particularly in mathematics, what to study, which chapter to prepare so that they can perform well in their upcoming January session or IIT JEE January session. Okay, so this video is particularly for those students who can see in this video, as you can see here, it is I am going to tell you the high weighted chapters on the basis of 2024 and 23 papers. Okay, so the chapters and the total number of questions that had been asked in the last year IIT JEE mains paper. Okay, both the sessions including all the shifts. So again, you can decide after looking at this list which chapter you wish, or if you will take my suggestion, then of course I myself is going to give that suggestion, which I will tell you, okay, that these are the chapters which you should pick up and finish it from 0 to 100%, and then you will, I can assure you that you will perform at least to the like 98-99 percentile in JEE mathematics. Okay, so in IIT JEE mains paper at least. So that's it. So the list is here: set and relation 1 questions has been asked, function 25, trigonometric function 9, trigonometric equation 10, inverse trigonometry 9, quadratic 22, 21, 19, 27, 29, 28, 21, 11, see parabola and ellipse. Then look at hyperbola 10, limits and derivatives 22, 26, 16, 8, 38. See the number of questions: 22, 36, 40. Probability is 19, but then again see vector algebra 38, 3-dimensional geometry is 41. Now my take, I will suggest you people to pick up these chapters. Okay, and if you do it seriously, you take my words, bacho, you take my words, you will definitely be attempting at least 16-17 questions in your JEE mains. And if you prepare it well, see, we will be regularly uploading the videos how to prepare the chapters, which I am going to suggest right now. Okay, so we will be regularly uploading the videos how to prepare it. That will be another aspect, but today I am going to tell you which chapter according to me you should not leave at any cost. Okay, so let's start. For me, the first chapter should be theory of equation. Then it should be binomial, sequence series, straight lines, circles. Okay, now you may think, okay, I am talking about theory of equation or quadratic equation. Okay, but it's just 22 marks, while I'm skipping 19 marks permutation combination, function 25 marks, set and relation 21 marks. There's a reason behind it. I will tell you why. Okay, so these are 5 chapters this side, and then limits and derivatives 6th chapter, and then I will come directly to maybe differential equation for sure, matrices, determinants. These are 2 chapters according to me. These are 2 chapters. Okay, then vector algebra, 3-dimensional geometry, and statistics. So statistics, though only 14 questions were asked, but let me tell you all, this is one chapter. See, what happens is normally they ask a question from here or here, so you should club these two. You should club these two. If they are not asking a question from random variable distribution or mean and variance from probability, they will definitely ask a question from statistics. Okay, so that's the like general distribution they do. Now how many chapters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. I actually matrices determinant 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now, Bacho, if you prepare these chapters very properly, be assured that you will get at least 16 questions, 17 questions maybe from these 12 chapters. Okay, now the logic behind these chapters is, these chapters actually they are high weighted chapters, of course, 1 point. Second, they are scoring chapters. You will need to spend less time, okay, to excel, to gain confidence in these chapters. Normally the questions they ask under these chapters which I marked here, they are comparatively easier than the question they ask maybe in definite integration, application of derivatives. So that's why if you are looking at here, so you would have said, okay, definite integral is a high weighted chapter, but I left it. Okay, if you can do it, then after these 12 chapters, if you can do it, definitely you should go for integration as a whole, indefinite and definite. Okay, so 12 chapters minimum you should prepare. From here on, if you onwards also, if you start, definitely you can prepare these 12 chapters in the months to come. You have almost October, November, December, January, almost 4 months you people have, we people have. Okay, so okay, in the next video I am going to tell you how to prepare the important, and among these chapters also there are chapters which you can very easily, you can prepare within 2 days. Take my words, you can prepare within 2 days. So okay, that I will be telling you in the next week. But okay, we will be uploading such type of videos also for you people, which may help us, help you people in preparing for IIT JEE बच्चों.